Hello everyone, the iPhone 12 is a very good iPhone. I love this iPhone a lot. And funny enough, there's still a service repair program that Apple is doing for these types of iPhones that I would highly recommend kind of looking at and making sure that, if you have an iPhone 12 that fits under this, criteria, that you take advantage of the service repair program. And you probably should take advantage of it this year because I don't know if it's going to be available here next year. So basically what ended up happening was essentially back in 2020 and basically throughout until April 2021, Apple created a small batch of iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro devices that may experience some sound issues here and there because a component inside of that actually failed and the receiver module failed too or something like that. Now these affected devices were manufactured between October 2020 and April 2021. Now Apple states that if you take a call and if it doesn't emit from the sound receiver when you make calls or there's no sound coming out from the top portion, you may actually be eligible for a service or for Apple to fix your iPhone for free. So what I would recommend doing basically is making your way over to the website linked down in the description, or you can just type in iPhone 12 service repair program on Google, and you should be able to come into their service repair program page. Now, when you're on this page, you can see a lot of options, you'll see a lot of different things, but right here, you'll see the service process, and it'll tell you exactly what you can do when you figure out, your iPhone is having this issue. So what you can do is you can basically choose one of the following options. So if you have an iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro, you can go ahead and basically bring your iPhone into an Apple authorized service provider. You can make an appointment at the Apple resale store, or you can contact Apple support and you can mail your iPhone in. Now, personally for me, the option I would probably recommend is actually going and taking your iPhone into the Apple store. For one, they can probably fix it the same day, if you make an appointment. I think they should be able to fix it the same day. But if not, there's also been times where sometimes they can't fix the issue inside of the Apple store. And they will basically just give you whatever newer iPhone, or the same, type of iPhone, or newer that they have in stock that, the managers will basically support you giving out. You're not going to get an iPhone 15 probably, but I've heard a lot of stories about somebody bringing an older iPhone and getting one of the newest iPhones from that type of, kind of service repair program. So I would recommend just taking it to the Apple store if you have that option. If not, you can do all the other ones too. Now, keep in mind, if your iPhone does actually have like a cracked screen or something like that, then, they may need to fix that and pay, you might have to pay for it before actually going through and fixing that other issue. So just keep that in mind. But regardless, it's a really cool thing. I like it a lot, and I'd probably recommend taking advantage of this while you can. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.